In today's presentation, I would like to simply go through all the issues and topics. And of course, if you are interested in certain topics or issues, you can contact our sales channels, and we will hold um, the following webinars to discuss for each items and topics. So today I will go through the Moldex3D, the overall enhancements and new functions. Okay, this is the outline. First, I would like to mention okay, I will mention the solver capability enhancement and the material database. And second, I would like to mention the project management and our user interface usability improvements. And third is our pre-process. And we would like to introduce new functions in our pre-process and CAD capabilities. And in the last part, I will talk about our 2024 new functions related to compression molding for thermoplastic materials, and also the enhancement in forming kinetics and then forming injection molding, and also related to composite molding and IC package industry. Okay. Firstly, as usual, we need to mention the supported platform in Moldex3D. And Moldex3D officially support the Windows from 10, 11, and Windows Server versions. And we also support Linux, but Linux platform we simply support solver. So it means the preprocess and post processors do not support Linux. So it means we need to set up our runs in Windows platform and send our jobs to Linux platform. But no, don't worry that our computation management can handle this for you, for our users. Okay, in the Linux platform, we support Send OS 7 and 8 and Red Hat as well. Okay, and there is a new feature. The new solution package. We mentioned that we mentioned that this is electronic parting, and in it. Okay, I would like to mention here. Um, Previously we have a big module we named it encapsulation, and there is a IC package was under this encapsulation.